Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Tiger and Tim. Rawr! And click the notification bell, please.
Oh, hello, Tiger. Hello, Tiger Cubs. I understand you've all been to the North Pole. How fantastic! I'd love to go to the North Pole and see all the wonderful art that Father Christmas and his elves have done. Talking of Christmas, did you know that the country of Germany in Europe started the tradition of having a nice Christmas tree in the 16th century, nearly 500 years ago now. Wow! Anyway, enough facts from me. This is about you, Tiger Cubs, and the wonderful paintings, drawings, arts, and crafts that you have sent in. So, let's see some of it! And what a spectacular start! It's from young Shiv, who's done a tiger, a Christmas tree, some stars, and beautiful blue colours. Shiv, age 7 in the United Kingdom. Congratulations! And this is your sister, isn't it, Shiv? Sibby, you've also done a tiger! 2 Christmas trees, Santa Claus himself, Father Christmas, some stars, and let it snow! Wonderful work, Sibby! And last but not least is this young prince. It's Jan, who's also age 7, and he's in the United Kingdom too. And look what he's done. Father Christmas, an elf, a penguin, a Christmas tree, a snowman, a reindeer, and a tiger. Jan, fantastic! Oh, I just don't know how you artists do it. You are going to be appearing in world-famous art galleries soon if you keep up this fantastic standard of artistry. And remember to keep sending in and uploading your paintings, your drawings, your arts and crafts on the tigerandtim.com website. There's the link to upload. But now I'm going to have a glass of sherry and write my Christmas list. And you have a job to do, Tiger. The end of the show, sing-along song. Happy Christmas, Cubs. Bye-bye.